The Nigeria Governors Forum says it will be heading to courts to seek legal redress over the federal government's continued illegal deductions and withdrawals from the Federation account. And this was one of the resolutions reached after a late-night meeting where over 20 states were represented in Abuja. The governors had also appealed to the federal government to urgently take steps to address the nation's security challenges.
On the recurring insecurity in the country, Forum sympathized with the government and people of Plateau State on the recent loss of lives and property and appealed to the federal government to urgently commence the recruitment intensive training, equipping and proper deployment of security agents across the country. Forum also called on the customs and immigration services to tighten security at the nation's borders. 2. The Forum resolved to constitute an Economic and Security Intervention Committee to meet with Mr. President on an emergency economic intervention plan focusing initially on agriculture and other economic regeneration programs for employment generation in the northern states. 3. Finally, the Forum deliberated extensively on the continuing illegal deductions for the Federation account towards offsetting oil subsidy payments, excess crude account, and other unconstitutional withdrawals by the federal government, and unanimously resolved to go to court to seek legal redress.
The main issue is on security, where we are thinking about setting up an emergency team to meet with Mr. President to readdress the issue of the economy of the North.
We discussed and set up a committee that will liaise with the President, that will now look into areas that will minimize insecurity by way of employment and empowering the people.